How to loop a video on Android. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. Now in order to loop a video on Android, simply first of all launch the YouTube application on your device. As you launch the YouTube application, I'm going to show you how to loop a video on your Android. So tap on your profile over here. I'm going to show how to loop a video on your own videos. So I'm going to scroll down and tap on your videos over here. So here you'll be able to see your videos. You can tap on any of the videos over here. And as you do that, all you need to do is just tap on the three dotted lines at the top right corner of the screen. And you can just go back and check on the video. So what you simply need to do is tap on the gear icon at the top right corner of the screen. And as you do that, you can see the option of additional settings. So tap on additional settings. And here you'll be able to see the option of loop video. So just toggle on this option and you can loop your video over here on your Android over here. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.